Merry Christmas everyone, it's Christmas Eve and for today's video I've got something really special for you. For the last few months I've been working on a collaboration with EmilyArts here on YouTube. We both wanted to create an illustration together that was Christmas themed and had a set of characters which we'd both designed. It kind of evolved as we chatted, and as I'm a bit hopeless and I forgot to record myself digitally painting throughout this process, I've tried to show the stages of our design progress in this video. So we both started by sketching out some ideas for the characters, what they looked like and some ideas for the landscape and the setting. Then we added more details for each of the characters to try and create some character sheets that we could both reference. It was really interesting trying to think about Luna and Pluck and their relationship. I also thought a lot about the two shapes of the characters. I really wanted to keep them to very simple shapes that worked very well together, so that the weight of Pluck would always almost counterweight Luna's head, if that makes sense. Almost like a yin-yang idea. But yeah, I feel like we both really got a good feel for these characters, so maybe we can take them on more adventures again in the future. From there we both wanted to introduce our characters and this future collaboration that we were planning for today, so we both created an illustration to give a feel for them. As hopefully you can see in this video, I was trying to go completely lineless with Luna and Pluck and really take advantage of the benefits of digital painting over traditional. Maybe I went a little overboard with my clipping masks, but I really enjoyed using the textured brushes whilst keeping those sharp lines that you can achieve digitally. After creating lots of different sketches, we planned out the composition for today's painting. We wanted to split it in half but both tell a story at the same time. Emily had the idea to have it look like a book cover, and I think that really brought the two sides together. As you can see from this speed paint portion on Photoshop, I really built my side up from lots of different layers. I played a lot with opacity and the clipping mask to try and give the painting almost a video game kind of feel. I had a brilliant time working and chatting with Emily throughout this project. She's really good at building up characters and giving them personality, and I really feel like I learnt a lot from working with her on this project. So I'd really appreciate it if you haven't already to go and check out Emily's channel. She makes great videos about her art, both paintings and music that she creates, so I really feel you'd enjoy them. And that's it for today's video. I know this is a bit shorter than usual, but honestly, with it being Christmas Eve, I'm sure you're all busy getting prepared for tomorrow anyway. I really hope you all have a wonderful time throughout the holidays. Keep warm and have lots of fun. And I'll be back probably in about 2 weeks with another art video, so I can't wait to catch up with you all then. Merry Christmas.